How to improve or increase the sound or audio quality of your screen recording. In this video, I show you how to record your screen with high quality sound or audio. When it comes to audio or sound quality, most people forget only one thing, one super important thing. Let me show you. Go to the search and type here settings. Click on settings or click on open. In the search input box, type input. And here you have manage input audio or anything that says input audio. Here you have input devices. For increasing the quality of your audio or sound, you need to increase the volume of your microphone. So here I have two microphones, one external with the name headset microphone, and the other one is internal, the microphone of my laptop with the name microphone array. If you're recording using the external microphone, then you need to increase this one. Now for me it is 100%. If the sound or audio of your recording is very low, it is because this volume is very low. To increase the quality of your audio or sound, you need to increase this volume here, the input volume. And if you are using the internal microphone, you need to do the same. You need to increase the input volume to increase the quality of the sound or the audio. If you are using Windows 10, the options or the settings are a little bit different than in Windows 11. It is best to just use the search and type input. You get the same result. That's it guys. I hope it was helpful. Thanks for watching. I have published many courses, tutorials, tips, tricks and hacks that can help you with your career, with your studies, with your everyday life. So check our channel and watch also our other videos. Take care and have beautiful times.